Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, I bought this a product from Infinity by Harman. It's called Spin One True Wireless In-Ear Headphone. Okay, there's a sale, so I bought it and find out it's a good product. So yeah, before we go to unboxing, let's look into some of the pictures and also details from the website itself. So this is from the Harman Infinity Malaysia, Infinity speaker by Harman. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pictures here. Yeah. Okay, and okay, if you can see details. What's in the box? Product specs. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the specs you see from there. Okay, so let's unboxing. So the box itself, front, on the side, behind, below, on the side, on top. Okay, so let's unboxing. Okay, nothing. Okay, so we have the product itself. Okay, and behind, Type C. So this is okay. 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 Okay, now side. So you open here. Got this. Then when you open this, like that. This is right. See, then left. So here. Okay, and then it can also with this cup. So there's two sizes. So I guess this is that one is medium. So this one is small, and then we have a large one, I guess. And then the manual. Okay. QR code also. Okay. I don't know why there's a sticker here. Okay, we go to the English warning and one ticket. Maybe. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna try and then I'm gonna tell you how does it my experience with this infinity spin one. So thank you very much for watching. That's all for the unboxing for this infinity spin one by Harman. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.